Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change the language on Brevo. So the first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Brevo account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Brevo? It's pretty much simple. Launch in a browser of your choice, you locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type brevo.com and that's going to walk you right into the official website for Brevo. Once again, to the website, just follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Brevo. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to change the language on Brevo. From your homepage, I would like you to navigate towards the top right corner of your screen where you have usage and plan, you have help, you have notifications, and you have your profile name. So click on that and you have the extended options, which include my profile, my plan, settings, plugins, and integrations. Of course, you have senders, domains, and dedicated IPs, SMTP and API. You have user security, compliance, carbon footprint, select your language, and of course you have the logout option. Now, if you want to change the language, go ahead and click on select your language from this menu. Now you have a couple of languages that are supported by Brevo. You have the English United States, you have English United Kingdom, you have the Francais, France, Italiano, Italia, you have Espanol, Hispana, you have Portuguese, you have Brazil, you have Dutch, Deutschland, and of course you have the time zone that you want to select if you want to. So let's say I want to switch this to English United Kingdom because I love UK English. So click on that and go ahead and click on save the preferences. And once you save the preferences, your Brevo account is going to reload into the new language that you set it to be. So you see that everything that is going to be displayed here are going to be in British language. So British English, yeah, the British English language. So that's pretty much how you can change the language in Brevo. You can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.